Howdy, welcome back. We are putting in the power steering bracket for the 80 series chassis today, and it's pretty straightforward as far as I'm aware. There's a few little nooks and little bits to do, but this needs to go in before the engine goes in. So we're just going to watch this. It's going to be a standalone video, and then next week we'll be doing some more. Everything's ready to go, by the way, to put this engine in. And I'm fucking excited. So let's get this out of the way, and then we can move on to the next part. Oh my God! Jesus Christ. One side is in, but I forgot to weld through prime it, so it's not the end of the world. I have a solution that I'm going to do later with the whole chassis, but I will weld through prime the other side. Yeah, just me and my dumb fucking brain forgot to do it. Oh well. I'm probably going to grind back the rest of this primer. I'm really not happy with it. I don't think it's right. For context, welding applications. Very annoying. Next up is this piece here, which goes in just like that. So this one will be pretty straightforward. Let's get after it. Alright, last up is this triangle and that brace. And then we're done. Right, so with all of the welding more or less complete, I've ground that back because I want to redo it. And I'm going to redo just that edge as well. The power steering brace kit is in. I'm pretty happy with it. Like the weld through primer, which looking at the container probably wasn't a weld through primer. I don't know why the fuck it would say welding then, but here we are. Is complete. Am I yelling? I got earplugs in. I don't know. We are looking at this transfer case. Now, apparently there's a part-time adapter in this kit. Let's find out. Moment of truth. See, it looks like that one. You see that? That looks like that. So it might be. See, it's got the two. So I guess the only way I'm going to know is if I take this off and look for that center diff. If that center diff's not there, the spider gears, we can do it. Wow, they're not. Just makes it a bunch. Dooley dooley. I don't want to do that again. Do I want to take this off or not? Okay, after a little emergency where everything fell out, I've knocked it back in. Thank fucking God. There is nothing to say that this is a part-time kit. I'm assuming that if this spun, the front would spin, right? And it's not. So I'm going to say it as a part-time kit installed? I don't know. You tell me in the comments. Let's reassemble this bitch. Okay, that is back together now. I quickly realized I'm pretty sure I got to pull it apart again for the transfer case adapter, so that doesn't matter. Transfer case adapter is in the next episode, so this was a quick one just to show the power steering adapter. And this power, I can't talk. I'm just so frazzled because this joint's a fucking pigsty. So hopefully it'll be clean the next time I see you, and we can do an unboxing of the mckinnons transfer case adapter and then start bolting everything up. See you later.